Hi, children of grade 8. I welcome you all for the today's reading and writing class. Before getting into the session, let's see today's value. That is, reading is a gift. It's something you can do almost anytime and anywhere. It can be a tremendous way to learn, relax, and even escape. So, children, reading is a gift. Try to read anything, anytime, and anywhere to learn something and to relax yourself, even for escaping. So, let's start today's reading session. So, to improve your reading skill, let's read our textbook in our English classroom. So, children, let's start today's reading session. Children, take your textbook Honeydew. Chapter 3 Prose. The title of the chapter is Glimpses of the Past. From page number 39. Children, let's start today's reading part from page number 39. Chapter 3 Glimpses of the Past. Point number 4 Ram Mohan Roy. R-A-M Ram M-O-H-A-N Mohan Roy R-O-Y Roy in the year of 1772 to 1833. So children, take your textbook, page number 39, third chapter, Prose, Glimpses of the Past. Fourth point from page number 39, Ram Mohan Roy in the year of 1772 to 1833. Look at the first point, children. Ram Mohan Roy, R-A-M Ram, M-O-H-A-N Mohan, R-O-Y Roy. Ram Mohan Roy, a learned man, L-E-A-R-N-E-D, learned, M-A-N, man, a learned man from Bengal, B-E-N, Ben, G-A-L, Gal, Bengal, from Bengal, understood, U-N, D under, S-T-O-O-D, stood, understood what was wrong, W-R-O-N-G, wrong with the country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. I'll repeat the line, children. Keep your fingers and follow me. Read along with me, children. Pronounce the words correctly. Ram Mohan Roy, a learned man from Bengal, understood what was wrong with the country. So that's all from the line, children. Let's move on to the next line. Let, let, US, us, not, N-O-T, not, despise, D-E-S, des, P-I-S-E, pies, despise, ourself, O-U-R-R-S-E-L-V-E-S, ourselves, are, ancient, A-N-C-I-E-N-T, ancient, C-I-E-N-T, ancient, culture, C-U-L, cul, T-U-R-E, chur, culture is great, G-R-E-A-T, great. Let's read the line again, children. Let us not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great. Look at the next line. A-N-D, and we are, A-R-E-R, capable, C-A-P-A-B, B-L-E-B, capable of, O-F of, greater, G-R-E-A-T-E-R, G-R-E-A-T-E-R, greater, greater, achievement, A-C-H-I-E-V-E-M-E-N-T-S, achievements, A-C-H-I-E-V-E-M-E-N-T-S, achievements, are we and we are capable of greater achievements. Look at the next line, children. We must, M-U-S-T, must, F-I-R-S-T, first, reform, R-E-Re, F-O-R-M, form, reform, R-O-U-R, R, society, S-O Ciety. Society. We must first reform, reform, reform our society. Society. We must first reform our society. Superstitions, super, super, shuns, tions, shuns, superstitions. Superstitions have been ruining, ruining, ruining us. Let's read the first block completely, children, from Ram Mohan Roy. Keep your fingers and follow me, children. Ram Mohan Roy, a learned man from Bengal, understood what was wrong with the country. Let us not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great and we are capable of greater achievements. We must first reform our society. Superstitions have been ruining us. So that's all from this block, children. Let's move on to the second block. See here, he told his wife Uma. Cows are of different colors. COWS, cows are of different colors. DIFFERENT, different colors. COLOURS, colors. Cows are of different colors, but the color of their milk, THEIR, their milk, 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 is the same. So let's read the line again, children. Read along with me. Keep your fingers and follow me, children. Cows are of different colors, but the colors of their milk is the same. So different, look at the second line. Different teachers, DIFFERENT, different teachers, TEACHERS, teachers have different opinions. ONS, opinions, different opinions, but the essence, essence of every religion, religion, is the same. So let's read the line again, children. He told his wife Uma, cows are of different colors, but the colors of their milk is the same. Look at the next line. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. So that's all from the second block also, children. Let's move on to the third block. Children, look at the third block here. He was attracted, attracted by science and modern, modern knowledge, knowledge. Let's read this line. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge. Look at the next line. Knowledge, knowledge should be practical, practical, practical and scientific, scientific. Knowledge should be practical and scientific. Children, let's read from the beginning. Yes. So keep your fingers and follow me, children. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge. Knowledge should be practical and scientific. See here. He started, STARTED, he started newspaper, NEWS, news, PAPERS, papers. He started newspapers, but the suspicious, SUSS, PIPCIOUS, suspicious British, BRITISH, British stopped, STOOPPED, stopped them in 1820. Let's read the line again, children. He started newspapers, but the suspicious British stopped them in 1823. So that's all from the third block. Let's move on to the fourth block. He crossed, CROSSED, he crossed the seas, SEAS, and went to England to see what made the British powerful. There he told them. He crossed the seas and went to England to see what made the British powerful. There he told them, we accept you as rulers. Look at the next sentence, children. We accept you as rulers, 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 and you must accept us as subjects, SUBJECTS, subjects. But you must remember, REMEMBER, remember the possibilities, responsibilities, RES, PON, PON, CICBIBLITY, responsibility. A ruler, 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 owes, OWES, owes to his subjects. Let's read the line again, children. He crossed the seas and went to England to see what made the British powerful. There he told them, we accept you as rulers and you must accept us as subjects. But you must remember the responsibility of ruler owes to his subjects. So that's all, children. We have completed page number 39. So that's all from the reading part, children. Let's move on to the writing part now. Children, that's all from the reading part. Let's move on to the writing part now. Children, let's start today's handwriting part from page number 29. Letter A, B and C we are going to write. So from first we need to write date 3/12/20, Thursday 3/12/20, Friday 4/12/20, then at last for Saturday 5/12/20. So let's start right. First you need to write dotted, sharp your pencil and then write, children. So see here, first I am going to write dotted lines. So write over the dotted line, children. So write over the dotted line properly. First you have to sharp your pencil. Write date. For Thursday we are going to write this letter A, children. So follow the same pattern while you are writing your handwriting book. So that's all from the dotted. Let's write the first line, children, here. So write like this, children. So that's all children, we have completed for Thursday, that is 3/12/20, letter A. Let's move on to Friday, letter B, 4/12/20. Draw lines like this children and then start write. So write over the dotted line children. Sharp your pencil before you start write. It's very important. Date is very important. Then drawing lines is very important. Letter B. So that's all children for Thursday. We have written A. For Friday we have written B. So remaining lines you should write children. And for Saturday you are going to write C. So write 5/12/20 Saturday's date. Write over the dotted. So write neatly children. Sharp your pencil and write. See how I am writing. Should not come out from the dotted line. So that's all. Let's write the next line. So that's all children. For Thursday 3/12/20 we have written A. For Friday 4/12/20 we have written B. And for Saturday C 5/12/20. So you need to write page number 29 children. So that's all from the today's handwriting part. I'll catch you with another video. Until then children, let's conclude this reading and writing part with our today's value, that is, reading is a gift. It's something you can do almost any time and anywhere. It can be a tremendous way to learn, relax, and even escape. So, children, make use of this golden opportunity to improve your reading and writing skills.